Hi, are you thinking about renovating your home? Well, don't make this common mistake. Stick around to find out how to protect yourself and your investment. Just watch the full video to learn more. Hi, I'm Sergio Garcia, realtor with the GarciaSHomeS team, and today I want to talk to you about a topic that's crucial for anyone considering a home improvement project. So we all have heard horror stories about crooked contractors who leave a client's home in chaos, or worse yet, run off with their money. Fortunately, there are steps you can take to minimize these risks and ensure your project is a success. And we have just released a blog post on our website titled 7 Mistakes to Avoid When Hiring a Contractor. So this post is packed with valuable tips to help you navigate the renovation processes smoothly, and you can check it out using the link in the description of this video. Now, one of the most common mistakes we see homeowners make is failing to obtain the necessary permits. You see, many unlicensed contractors might skip this step to save time or money, but let me tell you, this can lead to significant problems down the road, especially when it comes time to sell your home. Because buyers and their agents will be looking closely at whether improvements were made properly and legally. So if you're planning a home improvement project, we are here to help. First, take a few minutes to read our blog post. It's a quick read and could save you a lot of headaches. Then, reach out to us for a list of highly recommended contractors which we have personally vetted. Also, we're more than happy to provide feedback on your project ideas and discuss how they could impact your home's value and resale potential. So don't hesitate, just call or message us to get started. We're here to make your home improvement journey as smooth as possible. Thanks for watching, and remember, as always, the GarciaSHomeS team helps you with your real estate needs. Have a great day.